I'm here. I'm alive, and I'm certain that no boat or plane is going to get us off this island. At least not yet. I know the answer has something to do with Himiko and that monastery. I have to do something. I have to stop this.
Anything?
No, it's too damn dark. They could be anywhere. You sure they're here?
Maybe I should just fire a tree and wait this out. Great fucking wolves.
Hey, if you're hiding, come out! Show yourselves!
Seriously, brother. What did you see?
Look, whatever they are...
God damn it! Help!
What the hell?
usual morning.
We just got to the beach. Boat's in pretty bad shape. Without the right tools, we might have trouble getting it up and running. Could sure use your help down here.
See what you can do. I'm on my way.
Watch yourself out there.
Lara, are you there? Alex said that you're on your way down. I should be there soon. I need to tell you something. What's going on? I don't think we can leave this island. Something is keeping us here. I have to go back to the monastery. Are you sure? Yes, Sam. I need you to keep this to yourself for now. I'm going to help Reyes fix that boat, but then I'm taking it inland. Lara, I don't know about this. Just trust me. It's the only way. All right. You be careful. Damn it! No! has found an easier way down. Made it. Now, where are they? Sam! I'm here. Laura!
Alex will be sorry he missed out on this.
Yeah. Where is Alex?
Heading over to the Endurance to grab some tools for Reyes.
Jonah, give the hoist a try.
This has got to be our best chance, right?
We've got to try.
I'm glad you decided to join us, Lara.
What can I do to help?
Help Jonah.
We'd be able to lift him more smoothly with some kind of block and tackle.
You're right. I should be able to fashion one from some pulleys.
There might be some on that rigging we can use. I'll check it out.
Be careful, Lara.
I'm gonna see if I can get this gun working.
All right. I'll just set up. Who the fuck are they? Sounds like they got guns.
I don't know. Let me think.
They just been dead for hours. But cut off, brother. What the hell are we gonna do?
God damn it. Shut up for a second. Let me think. Something's going on. You saw the smoke coming from the mountain.
Yeah, but that could mean anything. What the?
Coming for you.
There it is.
Shit! This thing's falling apart. Let's get out of here.
Stay. I need help. You're shot. Now you die. Move up. You're gonna die. Got her. Take her down.
Thanks.
What's wrong?
Alex should have been back by now. It's Dr. Whitman.
Jonah! Help!
How many are there?
I don't know.
Are you hurt?
Not going to see anyone.
Must have scared them off. Feel like I've run for miles.
And you've barely broken a sweat.
Must be fitter than I thought.
You could have led them straight to us, like you did back at the palace.
What?
That's not how it was, Laura. They caught me while you were getting Sam.
What the hell's this about?
They said it was the only way they'd let you and the others live. I tried to warn you.
We don't have time for this. Look, I don't know what the problem is between the two of you, and to tell you the truth, I don't much care.
I was only hoping.
Look, another word and I swear to God, I'll start smashing that expensive dentistry of yours.
Stop. If we fight amongst ourselves, then we lose.
You're right. Which is why this is not happening, okay?
I'm going after Alex. Where were the tools?
The engine room. Look, he can take care of himself, Laura.
Good. Then we'll be back soon.
Laura, wait. Here, take this bow. I've been saving it for you ever since I found it. It's powerful. It can shoot an arrow into almost anything.
Thank you, Jonah.
The Endurance Beach on the other side of those cliffs. You can probably use that new bow to make your way there. Maybe on those rocks across from the dock.
close to the Endurance. What do you need exactly?
Alex, we were getting worried. I'm gonna need a breaker bar and the rest of my kit. I can't fix this boat without them.
All right, I'm on it.
Lara is heading your way. You should wait for her.
Lara? No, I got this. I'm heading in. Going radio silent.
Alex, what are you doing?
Need some help! Can you get in there?
are we gonna tell the enforcers? Don't worry about it.
Help me out here! Oh, damn it! God damn it!
Hey, what's going on?
What the fuck?
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, shit!
Damn, can't do that yet. The Endurance. They're tearing it apart.
That should do it. All right, try now.
This is a waste of time. How many generators is this? What the hell are they using it for? Doesn't matter.
Put in the orders, refill them. No questions asked.
But we already shipped up all those portables last week. Are they powering fucking stadium lights?
Should be quiet, brother. Don't talk like this.
Keep it steady, we're bringing it up.
What do you think's going on up in the palace? All that smoke rising over the mountain. If there was a problem, they'd call down. But what about the radio? Nothing but static. So what's going on? Brother, I told you to be silent. Stop this.
Hold on, it's jammed.
Fuck, now what? This job to tell us bullshit.
Brother, please.
I'm not your fucking brother. I'm sick of this place. We keep salvaging all this useless shit. We're working our asses off for what? Father Matthias? The fucking Sun Queen? How much longer do we have to keep... Wait. Shit! What the...
What's going on down there? Everything okay?
Everything's fine.
No!
Just get this generator moving again.
How much longer do we have to keep...
There's an intruder! Get behind something! Let's move up! Come on! Moving in! We need to take this! I need some ammo! Try going around! He's killing us all!
Alex, what kind of trouble have you gotten yourself into?
You two, go restack that cargo for transport after you finish with that.
It won't budge.
Out of the way. I got this.
Damn it! Stop moving!
It doesn't look good!
No! Damn it, the door's blocked! Just hold on! I'm going to get you out of there!
Okay, just hurry. I'm sorry for dragging you into this mess. I don't know what I was thinking. Coming out here. Thought I was gonna starve my own goddamn ass. Like that, huh? Oh, God.
Okay, got it!
Great. Good.
Alex! Alex! Oh God, I've got to get in there. Alex! I'll have you out of there soon. All right, now to clear the way.
Finally, I impressed you.
Let's get you out of here.
Oh, God!
Oh, sorry.
Well, that looks like my dance career is over.
What are you doing? You'll kill us!
I'm not gonna make it out of here, Laura. Take the tools.
Not without you!
How often does a guy like me get to be a hero?
Nowhere to run!
The others are counting on us. Go! Now!
Old logbooks.
Months of
Ancient ruins in the old base. Control over the storms. I need answers.
prisoners to hide out? If they went there, they're probably all dead.
I need help! Get behind cover!
Lara!
When we heard the explosion, we thought...
Alex. He was still on the ship.
Seems anyone caught with you has a pretty low survival rate.
Reyes,
Better keep your distance then.
let's just eat, okay? Those bastards went quiet, but it doesn't mean they're gonna stay that way. If I'm going to die in this place, I'm not gonna do it hungry. Save a man's stomach, save his soul.
Finally, a little positivity. Once Reyes finishes the boat, we'll be back to civilization in no time. And what a tale we'll have to tell.
A tale? I hope I never hear Himiko's name again.
We can take the boat out at high tide.
No, we can't.
Don't start that bullshit again, Lara.
Lara isn't the only one who thinks we're trapped, Reyes. Matthias may be insane, but he was certain about it. I saw it in his eyes.
He thinks resurrecting Himiko is the key to getting off this island.
God, it sounds crazy. This whole place is crazy. These storms aren't natural. We have to face that.
She's right. When that storm hit the Endurance, I felt it. Something dark, something alive. This place is cursed.
Where are you going? There are ruins beneath that old base in the cliffs. Something in there led them to believe they could control the storms. I've got to find out what they discovered.
Once we're ready to leave, we're leaving. Whether you're back or not.
I won't leave without you.